Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this night, I will take video about politics and economy in local local Indonesia, especially in Batu City, so close with Malang. Okay, I give title about Batu City Special Policy. I will first of all I will give a quote from Edmund Burke. When leaders choose to make themselves bidders at the auction of their popularity, talent in nation building, they will not serve the people. They will be sycophants, not legislator instrument, let alone adding to the aspiration of the people. Batu City, the government and the legislator Batu City have ratified the regional regulation on the 2019 until 2039 2039 regional special planning we call RTRW, rencana tata ruang tata wilayah Kota Batu, for the city of Batu. This regional regulation is very important and strategic document because the documents become of reference for every movement and step, whether taken by the government, business actor, or the people of Batu City. However, in evaluation of revision in this document, many people don't know the development process as well as the substance of the policy. Why was the previous document or law on RTRW, rencana tata ruang tata wilayah daerah, or special policy amendment to regulate its content to tighten the environment and agriculture? One of uh, special department in Batu City arguments that is that Batu City special policy product was prepared in 2012, so that adjustments are needed throughout the process of evaluation and revision of Batu City for a certain period time, 5 years. Therefore, the Batu City government state the reason for revision the 3 years delay so have been revised in 2016. There are a number of other arguments that support the special policy needs to be revised. The first, the special police expert team has said that one of the vision of developing Batu City is international tourism, which should have the synergy between artificial tourism, agriculture, trade, and other sector in every city area. We know Batu we have three area, Batu, and then Bumiaji, and then Junrejo area. Second, the assistant of the Batu policy special has not been able to optimally accommodate the needs of an tourism development program, so that it's necessary to complete the construction of large-scale facilities, such as cable cars, toll roads, geothermal energy, and others. So it needs to be evaluated and corrected through revision to laws and the regulation. However, if we look at the substance of the last special regulation, it's far from the local value of the Batu community, which are based on nature and agriculture. Among them, there an artificial tourism projection in Tulungrejo village, Bumiaji district, thereby eliminating special area for agriculture and environmental conservation. Second, there is geothermal electric project in Songoriti, which will absorb spring in the surrounding area. And third, the assistance of a cable car project, which is suspect to surround the Torresmith being the Jatipak group. And fourth, the assistance of the Singosari Giripuno Tour, which has the potential to increase congestion in Batu because it's easy accessibility to Batu, so that it can be said that the regional regulation actually marginalizes the Batu community and place more important on artificial tourism, housing, and other industries which certainly benefit the oligarchy and their groups. If we look at it, of course, there are oligarchy interests who want to get more profit, so that they interfere in the development agenda of Batu City. This is the author assumption that become the basis for the Batu City government in revising the previous regional regulation. Special Policy Regional Regulation number 7 of 2012. On the other hand, the majority of Batu people also don't know whether the development plan is considered beneficial to the community or not. This is line with Emekol and Robinson, who argue that the tendency of elitic power is to prioritize their own groups while sacrificing the people and inheriting extreme poverty. And the question, why did this happen? In policy theory, policy formulation play a vital role in the context of democracy. This means that decision making require a popular control mechanism. In other words, democracy is a process of popular control over policy making and decision making based on equal political rights. Hartono, however, in the preparation of this special policy, regional regulation, community involvement was completely ignored. There's no good involvement in the evaluation and reformulation of policies such as public examination, so that there is minimal public expectation in future development. This is contrary to the special planning law number 26 of 27 in article 65, that the role of the community in special planning, as referred to in paragraph first, is carried out among others through participation in preparation of special plan, b at utilization in special, and c participation in special control. The implication is that this is used by a formulation actor and oligarch to achieve capital accumulation. In conclusion, the ongoing policy formulation is only an area where economics, bureaucratic elites, politicians synergies with oligarchy to achieve the interest of wealth accumulation by extracting as much natural wealth as possible in Batu City. Okay, thank you. In this video, I gave you about a special policy in Batu City. Okay, enjoy about that. You can make this video to compare, or you can make this video as reference in your thesis, your research. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.